Mom. I saw her again.
Really? Who?
Sarah. She was at pharmacy. But something bad happened.
What's happened?
Her mom saw us when we was talking.
Oh, that's so sad. What did she say?
She was very angry. And Sarah scared a lot. I don't know why.
I told you don't lie with me. Who was that guy?
What's happened, Mom? He is just my friend.
You still lie with me. Okay, don't say anything. I will know everything.
I want sleep, Mom. I don't know why my mom don't believe me. He calling me now. I can't answer. My mom will be hear me.